Have you ever looked at crochet and thought, this looks beautiful, but I could never learn this? What if I told you that in just a few minutes, you could understand crochet even if you've never held a hook before? No experience, no special talent, no stress. Just yarn, a hook, and a simple step-by-step start. If you've ever wanted to crochet but didn't know where to begin, this video is for you. Welcome to this beginner-friendly crochet tutorial. If you are completely new to crochet, don't worry, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the basics of crochet in a simple and easy way. Perfect for absolute beginners. Crochet is a creative craft where you use one hook and yarn to make beautiful items like scarves, bags, tops, blankets, and so much more. It's relaxing, fun, and once you start, it's hard to stop. Let's begin with what you need to start crocheting. First, yarn. As a beginner, it's best to use medium weight yarn because it's easy to work with and easy to see your stitches. Next, a crochet hook. A size 4mm or 5mm hook is perfect for beginners. You don't need expensive tools, just keep it simple. Now let's talk about how to hold your crochet hook. Some people hold it like a pencil, others hold it like a knife. There is no right or wrong way. Choose the way that feels most comfortable for your hand. When holding the yarn, let it flow gently through your fingers. Try not to pull it too tight. Relax your hands and take your time. Every crochet project starts with a slip knot. This is how you attach the yarn to your hook. Once you have your slip knot, the next step is the chain stitch. The chain stitch is the foundation of most crochet projects. To make a chain, you yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop on your hook. You repeat this again and again until you have a chain. If your stitches feel tight or uneven, don't worry. This is very normal for beginners. Crochet gets easier with practice, not perfection. One common beginner mistake is skipping stitches. Always take your time and count your stitches so your work stays neat and straight. Another common mistake is pulling the yarn too tight. Loose and even stitches will always look better, especially when you're learning. Crochet is more than just a hobby. It helps reduce stress, improves focus, and allows you to express your creativity. You can crochet for yourself, make gifts for loved ones, or even turn it into a small business. If you feel confused right now, that's okay. Every crocheter started exactly where you are today. The key is patience and practice one stitch at a time. If you enjoyed this beginner crochet guide, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment below and tell me what you plan to crochet first. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!